I'm going to try this again. I'm going to try to hold those guys still. Move them around a little bit. See the little princess cut one right there is a nice one. This one here is a nice one. If I can get close enough. They're all nice ones. I cut these a long time ago. Yeah, there you go. There's some broad flash. It's actually the one in the middle is my got two sides and the other side's red. But it's a hard one to get pictures of. There it was green on that side. Anyway, this little guy is a nice one down here at the bottom. That one. These are stones I cut many years ago when I was cutting for Barbara McCondra, who had two mines in Lightning Ridge, Australia. And I got paid in opal, and these are kind of left over from the stuff I sold and or gave away. And I thought maybe one day I'd make a ring or something out of these. And maybe one day I will.